Okay, good day everyone. I want to introduce myself. Before I want to introduce, let me introduce my title. The title is JavaScript Recognition based on metric, eccentricity, and local binary pattern. Okay, this one is uh, first author is Ajib Susanto, and then the second one is Ibnu Utomo Wahyu Mulyono, and then the third one is Kristi Atikasari, and it is me, Eko Hari Rahmawanto, and then the last one is Dosal Ignatius Moses Tiadi. Okay, this is our abstract. The handwriting recognition is one of the most interesting researchers in computer vision. Some previous research has developed and implemented JavaScript recognition in digital font and handwriting, but handwriting recognition is still not optimal. The contribution to this research is to improve the recognition accuracy in handwriting JavaScript. Then the purpose method is to combine metric feature extraction, eccentricity, and local binary pattern, or we can call LBP, which is further classified with a k-nearest network, or we can call KNN. And then several processing stages are carried out that the feature are extracted optimally. After testing, the proposed method success in the improving recognized performance with 92.5% accuracy, and then 92.5 recall, and then 100% precision on 200 training data and 40 testing data. Okay, introduction. The result object recognition is image is very interesting on the topic of computer vision. Then the various methods are proposed to perform the object recognized, such as machine learning or deep learning, to perform object classification. Some research, such 2 until 6, has developed the JavaScript recognized method has even carried out on the translation process, such as research 7 until 9. Bounding box crop is one of the methods to get ROA, or important parts of an image that has been developed in the various studies, such as detecting license plate. This is our purpose method. The first one is image input, and then change to RGB to grayscale, and then split into left and right. The left one is convert to binary image, and then complement image, median filter, deletion, metric, and eccentricity feature. And then the right one is contrast enhancement, and then LBP feature extraction. And then the next is combine again KNN training and KNN testing. And then the last one is evaluation. This is our datasets, Javanese datasets. The datasets is used, the research in the same of the research. There are 240 images, which are divided into 20 classes, namely ho, no, cho, ro, ko, etc. All images are images with the extension PNG with the size 200 times 120 pixel. The image is scanned handwriting JavaScript. This is our implementation and result. How to convert grayscale to binary image using im2 BW function, or we can call image to black and white with the parameter 0.9. Then the median filter is carried out with the midfield 2 function. It is function to reduce the noise. Then the last step before the feature extraction is to delete object with size is 3 times 3 pixel. This is a illustration of LBP calculation by dividing into grayscale image into 64 times 64 cell size. And then this one sample preparation to get the matrix and eccentricity feature. This is our implementation and results. The table is recognition result, ho, no, cara, ko, etc. And then this is TP, and then TN, FP, and then FN. Based on the recognition results presented in Table 1, an accuracy value of 92.5% can be calculated for accuracy and recall, while the precision is 100. It should be noted that the recognition results presented in Table 1 are the best accuracy result with a value of k is equal to 3. Several errors occur in writing that the quite similar when visual by human. For example, in the character ta, it is detected at the character ha. The conclusion is the research purpose of a recognition method that the combines several extraction features, namely metric, eccentricity, and then LPP. Classification is done with the KNN classifier on the JavaScript handwriting image. Based on the experimental result, the purpose method can improve the recognition performance, which is 92.5% accuracy. This result can be better than the previous two methods in example, 87.5% and then 90.0%. This proves that the handwriting recognition is suitable for using shape and pattern feature. For further research, feature extraction can be combined with the deep learning methods such as a deep neural network, or combine feature extraction with the convolved neural network to improve recognition performance. In addition, it can also be tested on dataset with more record and the number of class. And thank you very much for your attention. Anyone question, please?